Yamahas are painted with soft automotive paint. The hulls are painted in automotive paint. The decks are painted in automotive paint. And they scratch. They scratch easily. And scratches can lead to water intrusion, which can lead to delamination, especially with the Nano XL2. Does that mean that you cannot enjoy a Nano XL2 hull? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. You just need to be smart enough not to run your skis up beaches and up rocky shores and run into shit. That's it. Take care of your stuff. Be aware that your ski is painted. That's it. That's it. You want to know why the vast majority of hull warranty claims for delaminated hulls were bounced back? You want to know why? Because they could look at it with all the pictures that the dealership would send them, and the dealership would actually say, hey, listen, this looks like an impact. They write an email with notes. It's not Yamaha corporate. It's typically the dealer who's like, hey, guys, this guy hit something. And I talked to this guy for an hour, and he's a total dingling. And the service writer or the manager of that dealership who wrote the email to the claims department is like, this jackwagon hit a log at 60 miles an hour. Here's where you can tell. Oh, all the fiberglass is caved in a round shape. I'm telling you, 9 times out of 10, it's because people are dumb. Never underestimate the stupidity of the people. That's why Facebook is a joke. Because everyone goes on there, it's Festivus every day. Let me air my grievances for the world to see. Okay, great. Great. Now, are there some issues? Yeah, okay. I mean, there's reasons they improve stuff. Cylinder head, there's an improvement for 2021 because the SVHO cylinder head in certain instances had thin castings and they would crack right at the bolt, the head stud, where it tightened down, and that crack would run right into the perch for the spark plug, and it would start to arc, and you get misfire. Or if it cracked the other direction, you got water. Okay, and they're aware of it, and they are addressing it with some people who have had problems. Does that mean people need to go run around screaming with their hair on fire going, oh my God, they all failed? No. And if you're concerned, go to your dealership and say, I'm concerned. And the dealership's like, okay, we'll pull the valve cover off. We'll take a look at it. We'll get some mics. We'll check it out. Okay, great. They'll do it. They'll happily do it. It's going to cost you. It's not going to be free. Sorry, Bernie Sanders. It's not going to be free. Their time is worth money. All right? But if they diagnose it correct and there is a problem, the fix is going to be warranted because you didn't tighten the head bolts. They did. There's going to be a service charge to check, to diagnose. That's always the case. But then the warranty work on your ski will be covered. That's how warranty works. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.